welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is day 5 of Vlogtober. I keep wanting to say Vlogmas, but it's Vlogtober. So welcome to my channel. Over here I do a lot of shopping hauls, cook with me, clean with me, home decor, and also pantry prepping. So if that's something that you're interested in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave today. I should have also said I do a lot of thrifting, and that's actually what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So these items that I'm going to be sharing, I've picked up over a period of time. This was not from one visit to the thrift store. It's just that I had not shared some of the wonderful things that I have been picking up. So I thought I'd do that today since I'm doing a vlog every day. And when you're doing a vlog every day, you just run out of stuff. So here we go. Let me get started. So the first thing is actually one of my favorite things that I found. And this is a Mongolian fur pillow. Now, normally I don't buy pillows and things like that. Just certain things at the thrift store I'm just not as comfortable with normally. But this one I could not pass on. It is Mongolian fur. It is extremely soft and so cuddly, and it's only got the fur on the one side and it's suede on the other side, which is typical of a Mongolian fur pillow. But to my surprise, this one is actually from Z Gallery. And I should also say that when I got it, it was brand new. So that was truly exciting as well. Although I took it directly to the dry cleaners and had it professionally cleaned and replaced the cushion in there, it was brand new. And this is what it is. It cost me $2.99. Now this will retail at Z Gallery at probably $169 or some ridiculous amount of money like that. They're very, very, very expensive. This is a real fur Mongolian lamb. I absolutely love it. And to prove that I love it, this was not my first one, but certainly my first one finding at the thrift store. So this one is one that I've had for a long time. And it is a much smaller one. I think I got it from Wayfair, but I just love these fuzzy pillows. And then I have this one too. And I don't remember, this might have been from Wayfair as well, but this one is navy. So I have an obsession with Mongolian fur. So I was excited to find one for $2.99, truly the cheapest one that I have. So let me stop rambling. The next item that I found at the thrift store were these glasses. And I actually bought a set of 4. I'm using them already. I have this thing about when I thrift items, they have to be items that I'm going to use. I don't buy things to just store them. So I use these for water and I absolutely love them. I just love this amber color here. And I just thought they were really pretty. And they have like that, I don't know what you call that, but it's like the graduated color down there. Nice, hardy glasses. But I love them for water glasses, and I guess you could use them for, you know, wine or whatever, but I use it for water glasses. So I got those, and then I got these, and I just thought that these were just beautiful, the color and everything, so that's why I picked them up, and thought they were nicely made. Now at the Goodwill, which is where I got these, glassware is always 99 cents. And then if you go on the discount day, then you get the 25% off. So like 75 cents, for glasses. So those I got. And then I picked up these plates here. Yeah, like this. And I just thought these were really cute. They're like, I use them for salad plates. They only have the 2 and they're 49 cents each. And it has a name on the back, Raymond Waiter or something like that. I don't know if you can see that, but I just got them because they were pretty. I just thought they were cute. I have this obsession with pretty dishes and pretty glasses. So that's what I picked up for down here. I'm going to go upstairs and share the rest. But before I go up, let me share this item here. This is a vase or vessel or whatever. This was also seemed to be brand new off the clearance rack at Home Goods. had been marked down to $22, and it was marked at $3.99. So I just liked the shape of it and the texture that's in it. I will probably change the color. Not sure what I'll change it to, but that is what it looks like. All right. The next item I found was this. And I bought this because of the shape. I just loved the shape of it, but I wasn't crazy about the color of it. And so when I bought it, I had the intentions of spray painting it. But since then, I've decided to leave it just like this. So I just cleaned it up really good, as I do all of my thrifted items, and I am just using it. So the color kind of worked out. Let me show you the next item. So the next item is a ginger jar. So I have been on the search for the perfect ginger jar, and I found this, and it didn't meet the description of the perfect ginger jar for me because I hated the color, but that's a simple problem, and I'll show you what I ended up doing for that. And so here is what I did. I basically spray painted it white, and I've just been playing around with some different styling of it. So I put it on my table that I recently thrifted, just to see what it would look like. I absolutely love the ginger jar. Didn't leave it on the table, but I do love it. And then the other little piece that you had seen there was a little statue, which was white, and I have turned that into black, and it's on top of my counter. Actually on top of my cabinet. The last item, I'm going to show you what it looked like when I picked it up. This is a piece I just picked up at a garage sale in my neighborhood this week, and it's already been redone. And so if you'd like to see what I did to it and how I've styled it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and come back, because I will be sharing it within the next couple days. Thanks so much to my returning subscribers, and until next time, bye bye.